Hey YouTubers, Ron here. We're going to go over the HW2 wireless TV headphones made by Letscom. Okay. So here I have our HW1s, and you can see there's a lot of differences in the design of the headphones and the actual charging bases. So first, let's go over what's included. You're going to get your user manual. You're going to get your warranty card and contact info. You're going to get a quick start guide with the FAQ behind it. You're going to get a power adapter. You're going to get RCA cable. And then you're also going to get an RCA cable adapter. You're going to get your headphones, and you're going to get your charging base. All right. So when you first get the headphones, there's going to be a little tab here. Make sure you pull this out, and that'll allow you to start using it. On the side over here is the power on and off button. The actual cushions are removable. Here you can see it has the two batteries. Okay. It's pretty simple to put them back in. The charging points are on the bottom here. So when you put it on the base, the bottom is made up with the charging pins here. If you turn it around, you're gonna have your slot for your power, your RCA ports, and your 3 channels you could choose from. Alright, so now that we've gone over what's included, let's set this thing up. Alright, so here we have a smart TV, our HW2 headphones, and then we got some music playing in the background. So the TV I have here only has a digital output, so only has the fiber optic cable port, and most of the newer TVs are like this. If you have an older TV, you might have the RCA ports already, so you don't have to do this step. But if you only have the digital out, you're gonna have to get yourself an adapter. And this is a digital to analog adapter, and it just takes your fiber optic cable digital signal and it converts it to analog. So let's get this hooked up. So it just needs power and the connection to the back of the TV to the digital out. We're gonna grab our cables. So I already have my RCA cables connected to each other, and we're just gonna hook it up, red to red, white to white. Okay. Now grab your remote for your TV, and you're gonna have to go into the settings. So we're gonna go to sound out. So we basically wanna put it to the optical cable. And then we wanna make sure PCM is enabled. And that's due to the adapter that we have. So let's turn on our headphones. And you can hear the music now. Now some of these TVs have also, you can output to both. The output. So I could output also to the internal TV speakers and optical. So then you get both. But if you just want to the headphones, that's the way to do it. Alright, if you have further questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.